Hey, what's up guys? For today's look, we are going to be doing something a little bit more artsy. I did this look, as you can see, it's very artsy. But I wanted to do something like a little bit more simplistic but artistic at the same time. Simplistic. Simple, artistic. Get it? So, for this, the main star is going to be the Alien palette. Just show off the colors, the pigments, the richness, even if it's out of stock or forever gone. I will go into the red rum in the Jeffree Star lipstick thing. And put some on the back of my hand. I'm going to get this Morphe M217. I'm going to use this to kind of paint on whatever I want to do. I want to do like a line, so kind of like... No? Like that. Like that. Cool, like that. Then let's fill it in, and I forgot to prime my eye again. My freaking god. You're gonna need ultimate precision for this. I wanna go hardcore glitz and glam for this look. So on some spaces, I'm gonna go in with the Extreme Frost in Lick My Glit. It is gonna be these crazy shades. I'm gonna go in with the Sephora like glitter brush. It's like a silicone brush. I'm gonna use it to kind of just pick up the product and then see how it applies. Just because it's gonna be a little bit more precise. And kind of just, I want to fill it in right here. I don't like that as much as I thought I was, so let's just go in with random colors and kind of just fill it in. So I need like a small yet packing. Okay, this is gonna be perfect. This is the pencil brush from Morphe. It is the M431, and you're just gonna get random colors. So let's get tall gray on this. And then I'm gonna put it right here. So because you do want like maximum pigment, I am gonna wanna just tap it on, so like that. I'm not gonna blend it till the end when I have all the colors down. Then make sure there's no color on your brush. And then I'm gonna go into a different one. I'm gonna go into Martian Soil, the yellow one. Dude, these shades are beyond buttery. It's crazy. Then I'm gonna go out here. Look at that. Ooh, I should go into metallic, huh? Okay, so let's go in with, what would be cool? UFO on the same pencil brush. And then go on that part where I went over here. Alright, then let's go into Pluto in this. No, actually, let's go into Moon Rock. It's like the black gold. Right here. Cool beans, we got that down. We'll go in and redefine the lines later. Then I'm gonna go into Phone Home on the same brush. And then really pack that here. Just like that. Okay. Then we're gonna go into, let's go into that black one. Let's go in with Black Hole. Hold on. Hey, Bailey. inside. Oh, my bad. Many things were going on. So, what am I doing? Okay, well, I lost my mirror, so that's cool. Let's go in with this thing. So I got that black. Damn, I lost my brush. Where'd it go? I'm just gonna use this. This is the Sephora glitter brush. And I'm gonna just pack on the Pluto shade. Right up in there. Right up in there. Like right here. Just like that. Then you're just gonna get a little blending brush and kind of just blend everything together. This is a Morphe E18. I honestly don't know what kind of brush this is because it's so janky, but we're just gonna use it to blend. Alright? Let's blend the top first. And then over here. Then we'll blend the shimmer, gold, whatever, black. How good it blends. Okay, so this eye is just a hot mess, but sometimes you gotta live a little, you know? Live a little bit artistically. Have a little bit of fun. I do want to redo those red lines though, so I'm gonna go back into that red. Just kind of like that, yeah. Just a little bit of soft red cuts on the eye. Anyways, this is way cooler. That is gonna be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. What is that? Oh, it's like a glitter. Anyway, guys, I love you. Have a good night. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.